I voted for him for lower grocery prices. He promised me cheaper prices on groceries. And that has not happened. Not only has that not happened, I am getting my food stamps taken. I am getting my cash assistance taken. I am getting my Section 8 taken. I am getting all my welfare governments taken. I did not ask for this. I would not have voted for him if I knew this was going to happen. So what do I do now? What do the people do now? The ones that regret their vote. What do we do? I can't go out and get a regular job. And it's not even about these families being separated from their loved ones. It's not about these 5 and 6 year olds getting their families taken away from them in the middle of a school day. It's not about any of that. It's about me and my food stamps and my cash assistance. Me. That I'm the only one that matters in this country. I am taking my life back.
Welcome to the land of effing out and finding out. How are the prices going? Inflation? Can you afford school fees anymore? Can you eat? Indeed, we would like to see how Trump voters are going to get their life back. I mean, it's 4 years, right? And we are how many weeks in? Probably 5 weeks now. How are you going to take your life back, ma'am? Let's talk about it, actually, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. My name is Natkana. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section about these food stamps. Yeah, let me tell you, people are about to go hungry right now. Trump supporters are about to go hungry. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, darling. The food stamps. What can we do? It looks like you were not satisfied enough with the Biden administration, that you really did want Kamala Harris to keep it going for you, and you decided to vote for Trump, and you got nothing to eat. And on top of that, you're even concerned about the ICE rate. You gotta talk in silence with your kids. Come on, sis.
What about the groceries? Have they come down yet? I don't give a fuck about grocery prices.
And I voted for President Trump.
I mean, you're an educator. You didn't vote for Trump eliminating federal funds.
No, I did not vote for that. I do not think that's what the voters want. It's devastating.
County wants to cut our school funding. I don't think that anyone voted for that.
Do you mind if I ask who you voted for in the election?
I voted for Donald Trump.
80% of this county did vote for Donald Trump in November. But that doesn't mean that they believe that anything will be cut here.
I have to take responsibility for my personal vote that enabled that. I have to say I wasn't paying attention. I should have been and I wasn't. There's a lot of reasons for that, but and I regret that, obviously now. Trying to take responsibility for that and own it publicly.
The day after Trump won, I knew I had made a huge mistake. A lot of guilt and genuine shame. Probably gonna get some understandable hate for this.
They are the same people, ladies and gentlemen, that pretended that they were not benefiting from DEI. Now they are realizing that, oh, we voted against our very own interests. Gas prices are up. We can't even buy eggs anymore. Oh my God, taxes are so high. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Go ahead, come on the internet and shove it in the faces of Black Americans or Democrats that Trump is your guy. Or a lot of people say that the reason why they didn't vote for Kamala Harris was because she was supporting the stuff that is happening in the Gaza. Like she was supposed to end it as if she's God. Like as if she is God. Hoping that Kamala Harris is going to wake up and do some magic. So just because, and that is the biggest excuse, by the way. And because Kamala Harris, did not come out and say, you know what, I am going to single-handedly take my black ass to the Gaza Strip and end this war. Because she didn't say that, they were like, yeah, Trump can do better. Better taxes, He will literally give us free things because we white, or we want to be white for the Latinos, Yeah, he will make sure that gas prices are down. Oh my God, things are cheap. How many weeks are we in, ladies and gentlemen, for the Republicans out there? Hello, how you doing? Most especially white women. You pretended that, oh, it was the black women that were benefiting from this. Oh my God, DEI was not even benefiting us. Oh, literally benefiting from silence and trying to front black people as if they are the ones that are benefiting from these things. Now that the reality came, and you know who did this to you? Your own man. Your own man did this to you. After him doing y'all dirty, you know the devil doesn't lie. The devil does not lie, and I love Trump for that. He don't lie. He is done promising you what he will do. He will do so, for better, for worse, whether you like it or not. He will give you 1,000%. You are done voting for a man that came out and told you, hey, here is Project 2025. Be clever as white people, because you know you're always clever, we say. You will read. White people did not understand the memo. I don't know if there were so many papers to read. They didn't read Project 2025, and guys, it just baffles me, because like everywhere in the world, like white people are marketing themselves, or they have done a very good job of marketing themselves as the smartest people ever. And like your fellow white person tells you something in written, if y'all are good at writing history, he put something in writing, and white people fail to read it. And white people are out here crying, oh, Project 25, we Project 2025, we didn't know this was going to happen. Oh, didn't he tell you about USAID? Oh, really? You didn't read? Okay, I know he fooled you guys about the prices, but what to do? That's what you signed up for, darling.
Well, hell yeah, we're regretting our vote now. I mean, we didn't vote for Elon Musk. Did y'all even see that press conference in the Oval Office yesterday? I mean, what in the Brokeback Mountain was that? The press are completely ignoring him and directing all their questions towards Musk. And then what was up with his kid being there? I mean, what is this, my two dads? And the kid's just over there like picking his nose and wiping snot on the Resolute desk. Why would he let him do that? I've never seen such a submissive show from the President of the United States. I mean, come on. Here in Oklahoma, we like alpha males that take charge and stand up, not betas who sit there and let some South African guy dominate the entire press conference. Yeah, no, we are not happy one bit with this whole situation. I mean, frankly, it was embarrassing. Me and all my fellow Oklahomans were not impressed at all, and something needs to change, because there is only one president of the United States, and it ain't Elon Musk.
This is my last political post, okay? I'm gonna lay it to rest. Let me just tell you guys, I'm not crying happy tears. I'm not gonna be apologetic for being excited, because if it was the other way around, all of the Kamala supporters would celebrate. I want to say that first. I'm very relieved because I voted what I believe in, and I felt heavy on my heart that it's the right thing. So knowing that it was the decision the American people made, I'm relieved and I'm very happy. Very, very happy, okay? It's the very first day of finding out the election results. All of us are happy. I'm very happy. But I'm not going to continue to post about it, but I'm also not going to be sorry about it. And I always talked about how my family, sorry, I don't want to make this more than once. I always talked about how my family had different beliefs, my grandma and my mom and my sister, and how we always got along. And I wore my grandma's sweater to go vote, and I'm so sorry. I'm trying not to cry, okay? But my heart's broken.
Try not to cry.
Yeah, try it. My grandma just sent me a very sad text. It broke my heart. And my mom has yet to text me back today. My point of making this video is to say that I am very happy, and I expressed how happy I was. And I'm not going to be sorry for that. I'm completely heartbroken that my family is taking it how they are. I never did this to them when Biden won. Never. But I am done with political posts From here on out, it's back to normal. If you don't like me because of who I voted for and you have to unfollow, go ahead. My own family.
I love to see them coming, ladies and gentlemen. I swear, I am not even being petty. I just love seeing this coming. Like, I am feeling like I'm getting a lot of energy from these MAGA regrets. I love them.